Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. After a layover at Dubai Airport of just under 9 hours, it's time to board our flight. The best thing was boarding straight from the lounge. After stepping on board the plane, I was escorted to my suite. This is first class on the 777. It is fully enclosed with floor-to-ceiling privacy. I was gleaming with excitement and it felt unreal. This was a pinch me moment. I've never imagined flying in such a luxurious way. It felt like a mini hotel room. I could look across 3 windows. If you have a middle seat, the digital windows are connected to an external camera. In this compartment, you can store your jacket or coat. There is storage space for some items, magazines, and Wilkins headphone. The 32 touchscreen TV can be controlled by the tablet or remote control. On the other armrest is a storage area for small items. This small side table was handy for drinks. If you need to charge your devices, there is a universal power supply and USB port. A USB-C port can be found near the armrest. On this panel, you can control the temperature, seat adjustments, and lighting. At the base of the tablet holder are also more controls. The soft leather recliner seat can be converted to 4 modes with the push of a button: take off, flatbed, dining, or recline. Like our other flight, we were given a welcome drink, served Arabic coffee with dates, and their signature Dom Perignon. Our flight attendants were Ed and Wamuyu. Our orders were taken for our meals. Dining is completely on demand. You can order as much as you want or as little as you like. On this Emirates 777 plane, the first class seat configuration is 111. Each suite has maximum privacy. On our previous flight on the A380, the seating configuration was 121. If you're traveling as a couple, you can still be seated next to each other. There was also an onboard lounge bar and shower. Click on the link below to see what the lounge bar and shower was like. The 777 first class suite is a game changer. The suites are based on luxury and privacy. There are 2 lavatories at the front of the cabins. There are no showers on this 777. But you still find disposable dental kits and shaving kits. Unlike the A380, there is no onboard lounge bar. We were also given pajamas, eye masks, and slippers. You also get an amenity kit. The contents were the same as the one we got from the other flight, like the Bulgari products and personal amenities. I like these bags more than the ones we got from our first flight. One of my favorite things on Emirates First Class is dining on demand. To start off, you get a variety of breads and condiments. The amuse-bouche was beetroot with dark confit in the glass. On the side was pickled grape and tomato with ricotta cheese. On this flight, I tried the caviar. I was given this tiny spoon. Apparently, it's made of mother of pearl. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to put all the toppings onto the blini. I was also recommended to pair it with vodka. As we were the only couple in first class, They offered my partner to sit in the suite opposite me so we could dine together. For my appetizer, I had a traditional Arabic meze. The salads were fresh and the dips were tasty. For my main, I opted for the roasted Chilean sea bass. The fish was unfortunately overcooked. To end my meal on a sweet note, I had the almond streusel cake, served with warm toffee sauce and chantilly cream. My partner opted for the cheese board. When I was ready to take a nap, the seats converts to a lay-flat bed with plush bedding. It's time to close the blinds and pull the curtains. Now that it was pitch black, I played with the mood lighting. You can choose the colors or turn it into a disco. On the floor, you also get soft lighting. After having a good snooze, it's time to get up. It's time to start packing. With the handy tote bag that we got, I packed our pajamas. Even though it was a morning flight, they gave us the pajamas. I also packed what's in the minibar, my Amenity kit, Barredo wellness kit, notebook and pen, plus a little takeaway box of chocolate. It's the first time I've packed so much goodies off a flight. This Emirates first class game changer isn't just a flight. It is luxury, comfort, and privacy. From the moment we stepped on board until landing, the service was exceptional. I never imagined flying 2 first-class flights in one day, with 2 different experiences. Thanks to the flight attendants on both our first-class flight for making it such a memorable experience for us. Have you had the experience of flying first class on Emirates? Which one did you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching so far. Support us with a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. We have a Facebook page which you can like and follow, or you can also follow us on Instagram, TTCWL. Just after landing, we had a little survey to do on the tablet. As mentioned earlier, you can click on the link below to watch our first class flight on the A380 for more details on the entertainment system and what the pajamas were like. We'll be exploring Brussels for a few days. Make sure you click on the notification bell to be updated on our next video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.